So in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can apply the clothing effect or the cloth effect over the 3D model that you have been created on the Blender workspace. This is possible over in the sculpting window only. So first let me open my 3D Blender workspace. Now this is a basic 3D model. First let me switch to the sculpting window. You're gonna see over this top option, you're gonna find this option of sculpting. When I click there, now this is the sculpting window. Over this left side you're gonna find a lot of brushes. Here you need to scroll down until you find the icon of this cloth. You can see it says cloth. Just simply click over there and select this brush type. Now you can make the changes over the brush size and strength as well. And now when you over there, you're gonna see this is the basic clothing effect that I've been applying on my 3D model. You can see it's a very easy process. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.